Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is probability. Okay, and in previous class we take and solve some important questions based on probability, and in probability we take and solve the question based on the deck of 52 playing cards. And in previous class we discuss all the important facts. We discuss all the important facts related to deck of 52 playing cards, and we explain that the total number of playing cards is 52, playing deck of 52 playing cards, and in that 52 playing card there are four types of cards: spade, club, heart and diamond. Spade at club are generally black, and heart and diamond are generally red. So in this way, and their total number of face card is what? 12. And which cards are known as which card is known as face card? King, queen and jack are generally known as a face card. Now we take and solve some important question based on deck of 2 playing card, and this is a very important question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, look, we take a very important question, dear friends, and your question is: one card is drawn, one card is drawn, one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck, from a well shuffled deck, well shuffled well shuffled deck of 52 cards, of 52 cards, of 52 cards. Okay, we'll find the probability of getting, find the probability of getting, find the probability of getting first a king of red suit. First word, a king of red suit. Okay, a king of red suit, a face card, her, a red face card, a red face card. Fourth, a queen of black suit, a queen of black suit. Okay, king, queen of black suit. Fifth one, a jack of hearts, a jack of hearts, a jack of hearts, and sixth one, a spade. Last one, dear friends, sixth, a spade card. Okay. So dear friends, this is the very important question of your syllabus. Okay. So please, dear friends, do concentrate on this question. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus. To look at this question, dear friends, here in previous class we already discussed about all the important facts related to deck of 52 playing cards, and this is one of the most important question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see its solution. Dear friends, first of all, total number of all possible outcomes is 52. You know that, na? In that question, here one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So total number of elementary event for that, for each and every part of this question is 52. It is clear? So here total number of elementary event, or you can say that total number of sample space, or you can say that total number of is what, that is total number of sample space is what, 52, means all possible outcomes, or you can say the total number of trials, as you wish. So for each and every part of this question, total number of all possible outcomes is what, 52. Now look, first part, we find the probability of getting a king of red suit. In previous class, we already discussed about the very important concept related to that question, that topic. The total number of cards, 52 cards are there, and there are 4 suit of 13 cards. First one is what, dear friend? Look, spade, club, hearts, and diamond. Each of suits contain 13 cards. Each of suits contain 13 cards, dear friends. And you know that in that card, diamond and heart and diamond are generally red, and spade and club are generally black cards. Okay, and first of all, let's see. There are 12 face card, king, queen, and jack face card, and in each spade, club, heart, and diamond, one king, one queen, one jack contains a spade card. One king, one queen, one jack contains clubs card in clubs, same as heart and diamond. Okay, now look. First of all, we take first part of this question and solve it. The first part of this question is what? We find the probability of a king of red suit. Look, red suit is how many red cards are there? There are 26 red cards. Let's see, 13 plus 13s. And we find the probability of a king of red suit. So how many king of red suit? One king in heart and one king in diamond. Both are red. So first of all, we write total number of king of red suit. The number of king cards, king of red suit. The number of king of red suit is what? 2. One in hearts and one in diamonds. Both are red, na? So that is number of favorable outcomes. That is number of favorable outcomes. That is number of that event is what? 2. That is thus probability of getting a king of red suit. King of red suit is what, dear friends? Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of all possible outcomes. So this is 2 upon 52, 2 under 2, this is 26. So 1 upon 26 is the required solution of the given question. Okay? So this is the concept of that question. So please children, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay? So in this way you can solve each and every part of this question. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. Okay? So because of the king of red suit is what? 30. Now similarly we take and solve the second part of this question. Let's see. In second part of this question, a face card. A face card. You know that how many face cards are there? There are total face cards are 12. Total number of face card is what? 12. That is probability of getting a face card. Number of favorable outcomes, that is 12. All possible outcomes, that is 12. 52. 4 3s are means 3 upon 13. 3 upon 13 is the required solution of the, we find the probability of getting a face card. because of total number of face card is what? 12. So favorable outcomes is 12 and all possible outcomes is 52. So in this way 12 upon 52 is the right answer. Now we take and solve the third part of this question. Look, a red face card. A red face card. This is also a very important question. A red face card. So look, king, queen and jack are generally known as face card. So one king, one queen, one jack contains in hearts, means 3 face cards are there, 3 face cards in diamond, 3 face card in diamond and 3 face card in hearts. So total number of red face cards is what? Total number of red face card is 6. So it is clear that the total number of red face card is what? 3 plus 3. Because of heart and diamond both are red now. This is 6. That is, since probability of getting a red face card is 6 upon 52. 2 3s are 26. Means 3 upon 26 is the right answer. 3 upon 26 is the right answer. Okay. Now we take and solve the fourth part of this question. What is the fourth part? A queen of black suit. Look, a queen of black suit. So look, queen is also the face card and black suit. There are two suit means 13, 26 cards of black suit. So in one queen in spade, one queen in club. So number of queen of black suit, number of queen of black suit is what? 1 in spade, 1 in club. That is 2. Since property of getting a queen of black suit 2 upon 26 means 1 upon 13. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay. So in this way you can solve each and every part of this question. Now similarly we take and solve the fifth part of this question. Let's see. This is a very important chart. So please remember all the important facts related to deck of 52 playing cards. Now look, we take and solve the fifth part of this question. A jack of heart. Look, jack is also the black face card, and in heart there are only one jack of heart. Only one jack of heart. Now look, a jack of heart. Number of jack of heart is only 1. That is probability of getting a jack of heart is 1 upon 52. This is the required solution. Now we take and solve the sixth part, last part of this question. Last part is we find the probability of getting a spade. So from this chart it is clear that how many spade cards are there. That is 13. 13 spade card are there now. So the number of spade cards is what? 13. That is probability of getting a spade. Number of favorable outcomes, that is 13, and all possible outcomes, that is 52. 13 minus 13, 13 4 52, that is 1 upon. So this is the required solution of the given. Thus, dear students, in this way you can solve each and every question of your syllabus based on deck of 2 playing cards. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Let's see. we take a very important question of your syllabus, and your question is: a box contains. This question comes in previous board examination. Okay, so please clear the concept of this question. A box contains 20 cards numbered from 20 cards. 20 cards numbered from 1 to 20. Numbered from 1 to 20. Okay, now a card is drawn at random. A card is drawn at random. A card is drawn at random. Okay, from the box. From the box, a card is drawn at random from the box. Okay, find the probability that find the probability that the number on the drawn card is the number on the drawn card is first divisible by 2 or 3, divisible by 2 or 3, and second one a prime number. A prime number. Now let's see its solution. Okay, this is also a very important question. Means this box contains how many cards? 20 cards. Since this box contains 20 cards numbered from 1 to 20. Numbered from 1 to 20. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Numbered as 1 to 20. Okay. Now, all possible outcomes is what? Total number of elementary event is 20. It is clear that here the total number of elementary event is what? Means total number of sample space is 20. It is clear. Now we take and solve the first part of this question. Dear student, the favorable conditions related to that event. Suppose let E be the event that the drawn here one card is drawn at random. Okay, choosing let us take the E be the event that drawn card is divisible by 2 or 3. Divisible by 2 or 3. Good. So how many numbers which are divisible by 2 or 3? How many numbers are there? So total number of possible outcomes is what? 20 na? Now look. This, and this one and this one. So how many cards which are divisible by 2 or 3? So 2 is also divisible by 2. So one card from 1 to 20 na. Your question is about 20 number as one divisible by 2 or 3. Okay. So look, how many digits are there which are divisible by 2 or 3? The total number of digits which are divisible by 2 or 3 is what? Let's see. 2, 3, 4, okay, 6. 6 is also divisible by 2, as well as if we take 2 or 3, so only 6 and 18 and okay, now look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So total number of cards which are divisible by 2 or 3 is what? 20. Okay. So in this way divisible by 2. So thus total number of cards which are divisible by 2 or 3 is, how many cards are there? Look, okay. So look, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay. Okay, so 13. This is favorable condition 2, that cards is divisible by 2 or 3. Thus, probability of getting a card divisible by 2 or 3 is what? Number of favorable outcomes upon all possible outcomes is what? 13 upon 20. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay. So in this way you can solve that type of. Now similarly we take and solve the second part of this question. We draw a card. A card is drawn at random from the pack. Then we find the probability of getting that card a prime number. Okay. Now look. So how prime number is what? Which have only 2 factors. So number of favorable, so total number of cards on of prime number. Here total number of cards of prime number is what? A prime number, you know that very well, which contains only 2 factors, one and itself. Okay, so total number of cards of prime number is what? Look, 2, okay, 3 is also prime, 5 is also prime, 7 is also prime, 11 is also prime, 13 is also prime, 17 is also prime, and 19 is also prime. So how many cards of prime numbers? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So 8 cards of prime numbers are there. Okay. Thus, probability of getting the card of a prime number is what? number of favorable outcomes upon all possible outcomes, that is 8 upon 20, 4 to the 4 5 the means 2 upon 5. This is the required solution. Okay, so dear student, this is the method to solve that type of question. So please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these questions. Okay, so in this way clear the concept of that question. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Let's see. Now look, the question is, a bag contains a bag contains 5 white and 7 red balls. 5 white and 7 red balls. Okay, 7 red balls. One ball is drawn at random. One ball is drawn at random. One ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that what is the probability that ball drawn is white? Now let's see its solution. Dear sir, it is clear. We already solved the question based on these topics. Let's see. So a bag contains 5 white and 7 red balls. So total number of balls in contains the bag is what? 5 plus 7, that is 12 balls. So all possible outcomes is what? 12 na? So here total number of balls. Here total number of balls in the bag is what? 5 plus 7, that is 12 balls. Okay, thus that is total elementary event of says the total number of sample space is what? 12 for that question. Okay, now here we find the probability of the ball is drawn is white. So favorable conditions what? How many white balls are there? So total number of white balls is what? 5. That is number of favorable outcomes is what? Number of event that the happening of draw the ball is white is what? 5. Okay, thus that is probability of getting white ball is what? Number of favorable outcomes and all possible outcomes, that is 5 upon 12. This is the required solution of the. Thus clear the concept of this question. So dear students, in this way you can solve all the question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way, in today's class, we take and discuss some important questions based on the probability. So please do more and more practices of all the questions which we discussed in that class and also in previous classes. Now in next class, we take and solve some other important questions of your syllabus. Okay. Now thanks to all.